finessing. Straight up, I can't go one day without finessing. Finessing. I can't up 100 minutes, we straight off finessing. Straight up, finessing. I can't go one day.
What's good, YouTube? This your boy J Diggy 92 coming at y'all with another review. Welcome back to another episode of Finesse Kicks. Hopefully y'all watched the unboxing for this video. If not, a little time card should pop up if I remember to put it in or whatever. But yeah, man, so if y'all watched the unboxing, if you read the damn thumbnail, you already know what shoe I'm about to go ahead and talk about. I know I talk shit in the unboxing and like previous unboxings about this company called StockX, right? I'm not gonna fake, they got way cheaper prices than GOAT. Will I stop fucking with GOAT? Nah, because some shit on GOAT may be a little cheaper or something. But other than that, I might have to fuck with StockX. I know I'm kind of going against the grain of what I said about StockX, but it's just because GOAT kept getting bad reps, and I was like, man, I fuck with GOAT. Like, GOAT ain't never did shit to me. But that's a whole different story. So you can see you got the Human Racer box. This junk beat the fuck up. Like, look at this shit. Like, I keep my boxes. I like my boxes, but like this shit is ripped on the side. Like, just, I know you can't wear boxes, but still, man, damn. But let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Today we got the PW Pharrell Williams Human Race. If I keep saying races or racers, it sounds better than Human Race. But Human Race NMD trainer. Oh shit, excuse me. I got this in a size 12, and I don't see any colorways on this. Like none. There is no colorway. So guess they said fuck a colorway. But go ahead and take this bright ass shoe out. Well, it's not really bright in all honesty. It's just a little bit different. Let's just say that. It did come with the original wrapping paper. I got this dead stock and yellow laces. I just switched it out and put one yellow, one purple. Leave this in the background right here. Leave that right there. So yeah, we got the Human Races. Like I said in the unboxing, if you didn't watch it, I'll say it again. These shits are 10 times heavier than Boost, like the regular NMDs. These are heavy as fuck. Probably because it's a trainer and it got these, like the little bottoms on it. As y'all can see, like it's a little ridged. So I guess if you really hiking in these bitches or something, like you're not slipping and sliding, because regular NMDs, you gonna bust your ass. Like, I took them shits in the snow, nigga, I almost died like 5 times. Like, I had to ice skate across the snow in the ice and shit. But would I do like extracurriculars in this bitch? Hell no. What the fuck is extracurricular? Like, no, I'm talking to that nigga. But like I said, I switched laces. I thought this looked way better. It added a little more color and a little more, just some different shit to the shoe, even though the shoe really don't need no more damn color. But yeah, we can go ahead and talk about the left shoe. But yeah, so just all up top, we got a fly knit upper, multi-knit. These shoes are fire. It's not my favorite, it's my second favorite. The teal ones are my favorite. I plan on copping those eventually. When, I have no idea, but I know I want to add them to the collection. This was my first purchase for 2018, man, and these are dope, and I'm glad I got them. So yeah, let's keep talking about the shoe. Multi-knit, multicolor, fly knit. Now prime, what the fuck? Is it fly knit? No, it's not fly knit, it's prime knit. So I'm tripping, y'all. It's hot as shit in here, and I've been trying to record this video for grip. But yeah, all prime knit upper. You got your cage right here, yellow cage, and then you got thick ass Boost on the sole right here. And then on the bottom, you got that black. It looked almost purple, so this might be purple. Purple cage, I guess you would call it. It's like, it's really hella ridges. Like, I don't know if y'all heard that, but It's like really hella ridges, and I don't think you'll be able to slip in this. And then you got your Adidas block right there with the little information. Doubt y'all see him, but it's cool. I know this fucking Stock X tag is getting on my nerves, but whatever. Then on the back you got the Pharrell Williams logo right there. Y'all probably seen all this in the B-roll. On the other one you got Adidas. Then the letters are all in that like silverish white kind of color. It says Earth. I don't know if you guys can see that. I just flipped it upside down, so I doubt y'all see it. But yeah, then the one special thing though, I don't know if y'all can see it. On the inside it says like bladder, kidneys, liver, stomach. Like it says some more shit. I just can't see it because it's dark as fuck. But apparently when you're stepping and you use your feet, those are what are connected to those parts of your body. So you step in, let's say on the inside of your left foot, you're hitting your stomach and your liver and your bladder and shit. Like I don't really, like that's what I read. I'm not like 100% sure because I couldn't find the article again. But I had read that a while ago why it was like that. And it's dope if that's really what it does. But I mean, either way, I just wanted a comfortable shoe, and I know this is. I got these in a size 12, which I'm glad I did, because reading reviews online, they say you can go half size down. That's not fucking true. Because if I would have went a half a size down, I would not have been able to fit this. I wear 12s in Adidas products like NMDs and all that other shit. So whatever size you wear in NMDs, I would suggest you buy it in this, because my toe is like right here. Like I have room. I have like this much room, y'all. But my toe is like right here, so I don't suggest going a half size down. Yeah, overall good materials. Only thing I can say is annoying as fuck is this damn cage, because the cage, when you slide this shoe on, it pinches like the inside of your foot. I'm pretty sure once you wear it, it'll mold to the shape of your foot and all that. But it's just annoying when you first slide it on. And these laces kind of get annoying, because like if you're trying to loosen it and find like the good fit like I do, like I don't like tying my shoes ever since I got like Yeezys. I like tying this type of knot situation right here. So I should probably grab the yellow pair. Yeah. So this is the type of knot I like wearing in my shoes. Hopefully you can see that. I prefer wearing the knot because it gives me like more room in here, and it doesn't look as like bulky as big ass bows. So I like wearing the knot. But when I went to put these on and tried to like unlace them, it was difficult because you're grabbing almost sometimes like the same lace, almost like when you're trying to stretch it out. You really don't. If you're stretching out from like right here like I usually do my shoes, you keep grabbing like the same lace and it doesn't do anything. So that was just one of the most annoying things I dealt with personally. But besides the pinching on the sides and the kind of annoying lace, and then you gotta figure out how you want to lace them. This shoe is fire. I like it. I love it actually. I got it because I felt like you can wear hella colors with it, but I would more specifically wear like maroons and like browns with this maybe. And then I don't know if you're bold enough to pull off the all yellow, but I think you should be able to. You can finesse some shit. You know finesse game strong. You don't prove wrong. But yeah, man, I like these shoes. I'm glad I copped my first hype cop of the new year, and I'm glad I got them in my collection. Shout out to StockX once again. Retail on these is $250. I paid $403. I only paid $403 simply because I got a $20 member discount off. Shipping and handling was $13.95, and the original price was $410. So I was supposed to pay, without that member discount, I was supposed to pay like $423, something, $430. Like I'm pretty sure my math is off. Yeah, $423 for the whole shoe, and the new member discount helped me out. So if you're not a member of StockX, go ahead and sign up. You get the $20 off your first shoe purchase. That shit was clutch, because if not, I wouldn't have got these. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all the information I got on these. You have any other questions about these, just hit me up in the comment section. I definitely answer those with the swiftness. I check my comments. I mean, I don't get that many, so I tend to check them. But yeah, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Become a part of the God Squad. We finesse gods in here bit. Dope content. Go ahead and watch the vlog, the Smash Your Pass, my top 5 for 2017. And yeah, man, go watch like all my videos. Them shits was lit. You can go watch the unboxing for these, like the hype unboxing from StockX. So yeah, first cop of 2018. Definitely looking forward to more releases and shit. And yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all up out of here. We got the Human Race Pharrell Williams multicolored Jones, and definitely look out for that on feet. It should be coming slightly after this video. I kind of don't want to put these on the ground yet, but I want to get y'all that on feet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it for y'all for the God Squad one time. If you want to follow me on anything, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. JDiggy92. Love y'all. Do this for y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Follow the art page of Finesse God Masterpieces. Just uploaded a new big crit photo yesterday. That junk is fire. My eyes just like but to other people it was like that shit was lit. So I guess it's lit. I'm my biggest critic, so what can I say? But yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Watch the other videos, like I said, join the God Squad. Yeah, man, go ahead, click on that on feet, and I'm like I always say, love y'all, and I see y'all when I see y'all.